3, 2, 1, start. In India, children between the age group of 6 and 14 years have the fundamental right to free and compulsory education. This right is implemented through the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009 (RTE Act). The Act is applicable to all categories of schools (government and private). According to recent media reports, many schools (including government schools) are flouting norms laid down in the RTE Act. Para. Unaided schools have criticized state government over norms related to religious and linguistic status of minority schools. The government has also faced flack over unclear norms on neighborhood schools and reimbursement of money to private schools. Most acts delegate the power to make rules and regulations for operationalizing the law to the executive (ministry). We provide an overview of the rules notified by the state governments para. The central government notified the RTE rules 2010 on April 9, 2010, which are applicable to all schools under the central government and in the 5 union territories without legislatures. Most of the states have notified similar rules with a few variations. The rules define the limits of a neighborhood and make it mandatory for the local authority to maintain list of children within its jurisdiction. They also prescribe the composition of the school management committee to be formed in government schools. Private schools shall reserve 25% of the seats for disadvantaged children. These schools shall be reimbursed for either their tuition charge or the per student expenditure in government schools, whichever is lower. All private schools have to be recognized before they can start operation para. Recognition is contingent upon meeting the minimum standard laid down in the Act. Existing private schools have to meet the norms within 3 years of commencement of the Act. If they are not compliant after 3 years, they shall cease to function. Government schools under the central government have to meet only two conditions, the minimum qualification for teachers and the student-teacher ratio. For all state government schools and unaided schools, the power to make rules is delegated to the state government. The central government circulated model rule for the RTE Act to the states. All state governments except Goa have notified the state RTE rules. Delhi and Puducherry have also notified them. Most of the states have notified similar rules with a few variations. We list some of the variations para. The breakup of the 25% quota among the various disadvantaged groups have been included in the rules. Scheduled castes 10% scheduled tribes 4% orphans, disabled and HIV affected 5% and children with parents whose annual income is lower than rupees 60,000 6%. In Rajasthan, private schools either have to be affiliated with a university or recognized by any officer authorized by the state government para. In addition to the minimum norms under RTE Act, private schools have to comply with the Karnataka Education Act 1983. In Gujarat, if an existing recognized school is unable to meet the infrastructure norms, it may be given the option of demonstrating that it achieved certain learning outcomes both in terms of absolute levels and as improvement from previous years.